Have you read the book about plumbing? You know, the one by Lee King. Plumbing is hard. You go through a lot of crap. What do you call someone who studies ancient Egyptian plumbing? A pharaoh faucet major. Why were people so interested in plumbing during the 80s? Because it was totally tubular. What I learned in plumbing class today applies equally to other facets of the trade. Don't get me wrong, I like my plumbing job. But sometimes I find it draining. A plumber couldn't get two pipes to fit together. So he checked the plumbing thread. My son can fix all your plumbing, bring your electrical up to code, and handle any framing or carpentry you could imagine. His name is Jack. I'm hoping to install plumbing fixtures in my house by myself. For now, though, it's only a pipe dream. I come from a broken home. Someone needs to fix the plumbing. What country has the worst plumbing? The Netherlands. Everyone has clogs. I hate working with plumbing. There's just too much pressure. My grandma said she wished me well. I said, I have indoor plumbing. The Romans are famous for being the first civilization to have indoor water pipes. They really led the way with plumbing. I'm Bob Jeffy. That's the pipeline of dad jokes to celebrate World Plumbing Day. Shout out to all the plumbers keeping the crap off our streets. We're on a mission to pipe the laughs and groans far and wide, so please share these jokes with your family. Thank you. Hello everyone, did you know that you can join the hundreds of listeners who have submitted their own dad jokes through my voicemail? Please spread the laughs and groans and submit your own dad joke to our voicemail, with the best ones to be included in special fan episodes. Just leave your name, the city and state you live in, and your best dad joke. Call 978-393-1076. I'll repeat that number, it's 978-393-1076, or check the show notes page for the number. I look forward to hearing from you. The Daily Dad Jokes podcast is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for social media links and joke credits.